Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're digging into how geologists actually classify mountains. I mean, from jagged peaks to gentle slopes, mountains seem endlessly diverse, right? So, how do scientists bring order to all this beautiful chaos? It's a real challenge. Well, the answer lies in a pretty clever system that just uses three simple questions. So how's it work? Simple. We look at how they were made, when, and where they're found.
Okay, first up, how? This is all about the powerful forces that build mountains from the ground up.
Okay, so imagine two continents colliding. The crust buckles and rises, creating huge fold mountains. This process creates long mountain ranges, often with volcanoes and, you guessed it, earthquakes. Next, we've got block mountains. These are created when the Earth's crust cracks and shifts apart. You can actually see this process at work in Europe's Rhine Valley and Africa's Great Rift Valley. And finally, volcanic mountains are, well, they're exactly what they sound like, built from lava and ash.
Japan's famous Mount Fuji, for example, was built up layer by powerful eruptions. Okay, question 2 is all about age. Classifying mountains by when they formed tells a fascinating story.
This shows us that mountains have formed in waves, from ancient ranges to the much younger alpine system. And that brings us to our final question, where? A mountain's location gives us another huge clue. Geographers basically put them in three buckets: coastal, inland, or even hidden under the ocean. Get this, Hawaii's Mauna Kea is an oceanic mountain, rising an incredible 9,140 meters from the seafloor. So here's the really important part. These categories aren't separate. One mountain gets many labels. Perfect example, the Appalachians. They're a full mountain from the Caledonian Age and they're coastal. But hold on, not all high ground is a mountain. Let's talk about their flat-topped cousins, plateaus. And plateaus are incredibly important. They're storehouses for minerals, power, and even fertile farmland. Many, like India's massive Deccan Plateau, were actually born from huge volcanic events over millions of years. So the next time you see a mountain, you'll know the three big questions to ask yourself.